Hi there, Jeffrey Rhoades from Experimental Homesteader, Exotic Gardening, and Sheri and Richerson.com. So, I had an entertaining day at work today. I was doing shelves by myself. The other person who has been working with me, training me and assisting, was out today. Took the day off. So, it was all on me. And I did a pretty good job. Got everything done, reasonable time. But I definitely didn't need to go to the gym. I got a good workout today. Had a lot of large shelves that went into boxes, like 4 at a time, making a very heavy box. So I got to, not only did I have to carry the shelves one by one over into the box, but once I had 4 in a box, then it was closed up and move it to a cart. The boxes weigh between 50 and 60 pounds, and I had about 12 of them, so I got a pretty good workout. I'll probably be sore tomorrow. And I'm getting ready to take a look at our Ring video doorbell system. We got the power adapter for it, so I'm going to play with it just a little bit. I'm not installing it quite yet. It's dark and cold outside, so I don't really want to work in the dark or the cold. But possibly tomorrow afternoon after I get off work, while the sun is still out, I may see what I can do about getting it installed. But I'm going to take a look at it and see, see how it works. Hook up the wires, test it out, have some fun. Try not to electrocute myself. But we're, just kind of taking it easy tonight, not doing too much. So please subscribe, help us out. Give us a thumbs up, thumbs down, comments below, and we will see you again tomorrow. Have a good evening.